Hello and welcome to Cruise 5. Today we're talking to a man you love to see dance and whose music you love to listen to. But today he's live on Cruise 5. The guest today is Awilo Longomba. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, my brother.
And I was asking you if the name is Awilo. That's just Awilo, nothing more, nothing less.
Nothing more, nothing less. My family name is Awilo Longomba.
Does it mean anything, Awilo?
Yes. Awilo is like in my...
Is that Lingala?
It's not Lingala. It's not Lingala.
It's
not Lingala. It's a Kimong. It's a Awilo. It's like where is the cat?
The cat?
Yes. Where is the cat?
Awilo.
Yes.
Awilo.
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 Yes.
And
Awilo.
Longomba
is my daddy's name.
Yes.
Yes.
Bienvenue au Malawi.
Merci beaucoup.
J'espère que tout va bien.
Tout va bien, merci. Oh, on continue en français alors.
Non, on ne va pas parler en français.
Ah, ben il faut parler en français. Mais parce que moi mon français...
Vous voudrez qu'on parle en français, oui?
Mais oui, allons-y, hein, parce que moi je suis pauvre en anglais.
Non, I cannot understand français, donc on va continuer en anglais.
Je vais mettre les souscriptions là en bas.
But quand même, welcome to Malawi.
Thank you.
C'est ta première fois à venir au Malawi?
No, it's not my first time in Malawi.
Yes.
Malawi and Awilo is a big love story. This is almost 4 or 5 times.
Yes.
I'm there.
But it's always great to have you in Malawi. So let's go back to where you come from. You are from the Democratic Republic of Congo, am I correct to say that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Where exactly in Congo?
On Kinshasa, born in Kinshasa.
Okay.
Born in Kinshasa.
Born in Kinshasa, grew up
Grow up in Kinshasa, studies in Kinshasa. Yes.
But now you are living in London, is that correct?
Is that correct? I live in London. Before I was living in France.
Okay.
And in London now, since 2012, I live in London.
Good.
13 years.
So let's go back to where you come from. How many were you born in your family?
Oh, many. You know, my dad was a polygamist.
Is that so?
Yes, my dad was
Are you a polygamist yourself?
No.
No, we'll talk about that later. Let's talk about your dad.
Off the camera.
How many wives did your father have?
Oh.
The ones that you knew?
No. Only one. My dad, seriously, my dad was married one time.
Okay.
One time with one woman.
Okay, fine.
You know, but he had many kids with different wives.
Yes. So there's so many Longombas around.
There are many.
Yeah.
My step brothers, my half brother,
Yes.
my half sisters. But the advantage is what we know each other.
Yes.
And my dad, that one they fight. My daddy do the best fight to make us. Yes.
Is he still alive, your father?
No, my dad passed away in 1988.
Okay.
March 12. It was a big singer.
Yes,
my dad.
He was, and that's what I wanted to say. That you are a singer, but your father was also a singer.
Also a singer.
Yes.
It was founding the band OK, just Franco.
TPOK.
Franco TPOK.
Yes.
One of the first singers.
Franco
Lombo Macchiadi. If you go to YouTube,
yes,
you mention Vicky Longomba. Vicky.
Yes.
Vicky Longomba. Yeah. Now you're gonna have more knowledge about my dad.
Was he as popular as you are?
Yes, in my country. In my country, there's some
beyond the borders, because the whole world knows about.
Yeah, me, you know, the advantage for my mom. This is because it's my generation.
Yes.
Internet, all of that. Yes. You know, social media.
Yeah. If he was living in these times, Vicky Longomba would have been a very popular man.
Very popular man, and very proud of me.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
How did you get to start singing? Where did you learn this? Did you learn from your father, or this is a talent that you just discovered by yourself?
No, by accident.
Yeah.
I became a singer by accident because I was a drummer.
Okay.
First. I was playing drum, yes. I played with many people. I've been the band. I was one of the band members of Papa Wemba group.
Yes, Papa Wemba.
Viva la Musica.
Yes.
Yes, I play almost drum.
Yeah.
Almost 10 years with Papa Wemba.
Wow.
And we record many hundreds of songs, live songs.
Yeah.
And I participate in many collaboration with Olus Mabele, you know,
Yes,
Loketo. Kanda Bongo Man, Chalamwana.
Yes.
I was drum.
Yeah.
To become singer is when I released my first album.
Yes.
Motopamba.
Motopamba.
Tout puissant.
Yeah.
Tout puissant. You know the song, no?
I know Motopamba.
From that,
yes.
I was become singer. You know what? Because in the studio, you know, in the studio, I was trying to sing.
Yeah.
I sing some of the song,
but in the studio.
In the studio, but the project was like this. I was supposed just to play drum.
Yeah.
Like, you know, when some people release an album, the guys in, for example, in instrumentist, like what is this? Quincy Jones was releasing the album like a trumpetist, but the guest was singers. And me too. I was take the same way. Yes. I say I'm gonna play just drum, and I'm gonna invite some musicians, singers gonna come to sing in my song. Yes. But when they come, Sam Mangwana, you know Sam Mangwana?
I know Sam Mangwana.
Yes, he sing on the album Dindo Yogo, many as Shimita.
Yeah.
But one time in one of the second day, the singers don't come in the studio. And the sound engineer was waiting. The sound engineer say, Awilo, your voice is not bad. Try to sing like this. I say, no, me, I'm going to not sing.
I'm not a singer.
I'm going to not sing. They say, sing, because there are many parts we need. They say, at least in your voice, it's not bad. The witness voice you put before the singers come to sing. I say, okay, give me the microphone.
Let me try.
When I try, I sing. People adopt me direct. They say, like, your voice, The reason why you see the second album, my next album, Kupebi Bamba, now when I was singing a lot, I sing more. And
there you are.
Yes.
I say that accident was a good accident because we would have lost a whole singer in you. You would have ended up as a drummer. But
I will say,
yes. But what I'm interested to know is, are the drums the only instrument that you're able to play, or you can also play the guitar and other instruments?
I try to guitar sometimes, but my specialty is a drum. Drum. And you know, in the beginning, for my story, I say the accident the same. When my first album come to the market, people adopt, the people was loving just the song I was singing.
The voice.
The voice. They say we love the song, except the
instrument.
In the project you have Samangwana, many people. But the people say we love more the song Awilo sang.
Awilo,
We shoot the video. People, you dance very good, Awilo. I say, oh, okay, dance. And Cora Award, the first edition 90, because my first album came to the market in the 1995.
Yes.
In 1996, first edition Cora Award in South Africa. I was nominated, and they give me the prize like Best African Central Artist. But when the promoter discover Awilo, they start to invite Awilo to go to the performance. I say, no, me, I'm not singing. Me, I'm going to play drum. When I send the list. You know, my team send the list, I will going to play drum, and the people, they say, no. We all on the front. On the front, I say, wow. No. And the front. I say, no. I've been in Uganda one time, like a drum I was playing for, he passed away too, Longomba.
Longomba.
Invite me because I was so open, you know, I was playing Sukus, Zouk. Longomba invited me one time, he said, Awilo, I have a tour, let's go to the tour. In the time when I will come to release my first album, you know, before Cora Award, we go to the tour when we arrive in Uganda. People see me at the stage. When he mentioned just Awilo, Longomba, and the drum, people say, but this is the guys now is the song is a number one on the top chart. We need Awilo. They stop the show. They insist, they say, we need you to sing. So I was playing drum with him.
Said, you are not
Come here. I take the microphone and I start just hey, top, ay. Hey, people, people, Awilo. 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 I say, no, it's not my show. They say never. And the show was stopping. Stopping, people start to push instruments. They say Awilo forever. All the song Awilo play. I say, no. Please, it's not my show. They put me in the car, direction, hotel. When I arrive in the hotel, many promoters come. They say, you are so popular, we want you now. They send me for 9 dates in Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe. My way starts like how they say.
An accident.
Yes.
By accident. Discovered by accident. Well, accidents are good sometimes because they lead to some great discoveries like our guest today, Awilo Longomba, the great musician from Congo, but a huge export to the rest of the world. So now, it's okay doing songs in Congo and people enjoying them, but it's a totally different thing when the whole world starts appreciating your music. And you know, you go to a show in Uganda, you have never been to Uganda, you go there, you sing your song and everybody loves it.
Yes.
You go to Zimbabwe, you sing your song and you're like, oh my God. How does it make you feel?
I don't know, it's the sensation, I don't know who's going to explain the sensation.
Yes.
Hey.
And the people, here's the thing, the people don't know what you're saying.
No,
they don't know the language.
That one, when I go to my comment, because Nigeria
yes.
is one of the country who loved my music.
Yes.
And one of the country, no, because this country, Nigeria, was before it was closed to others, all the other style of music.
Yes.
They was just open by American music.
Yes.
And all the African music, they was calling that Makossa.
Yes.
And when my album came, Coupe Bibamba,
yes.
The influence was, all of them, they told me, P-Square told me, they said, when your song become in the market, we was follow you, because the first time I play in Nigeria, it became a bank holiday. They're supposed to play, they organize the show in 3,000 place in a venue hall,
yes.
But the people, no, it's no stadium, but the people buy ticket, almost they sell 100,000 tickets.
So we cannot do it here.
They transfer the show, the hotel, the stadium.
Yeah.
And the people said, Awilo, since this time to now, no one felt the stadium like this.
Yes.
It's the
first time.
The first time until now is a record. No one do that.
Wow.
If you go to my comment, follow my page Instagram, you're gonna see I post this. Yeah. And you can imagine Nigeria, they was playing my song, they transformed in the language like a Igbo.
Yeah.
They sing in the language. Yes, they sing in the church. Yeah. The church transformed my song and everywhere. Yeah. And on that time, the Minister of Culture, that was because we talk about the language.
Yes.
People don't understand, but they sing.
Yes.
But the Minister of the Culture, you know, what is this? He pass an he do announcement like we stop to play Awilo's song because now we don't understand the language we sing and we have Anglophone. While now we sing in French like comment tu t'appelles, je m'appelle. Yeah,
it's crazy.
It's crazy. About the language, you know, music is a universal.
Yes.
It's like me when I was kid.
Yes.
You know, when I was kid, we listen the music, American music, English, but you know, you don't understand. Just you follow the melody and the instrument, like they play. Let's say one song was popular in the time, No Woman, No Cry.
Yes,
Bob Marley. You know, Congolese people. They were singing, oh, Bomanyoka. Oh, Bomanyoka. Bomanyoka is kill the snake.
Bomanyoka, no woman, no cry. The universal language. You love the music, you want to sing it, but you don't know what they're talking about. Let's talk about the type of music you play. Because when you come to Malawi, most people talk about rumba, kwasa kwasa, ndombolo, but they don't know the other
difference. Yes, sir.
But I understand that there's a lot more to this genre than just the things we know. So there's rumba, there's sukus, there's ndombolo, There's Makossa, there's Chacho, there's all these things. Tell us more about this.
Okay, let me tell you first.
Yeah.
You know, the Congolese music starts from rumba music.
Okay.
Rumba music was inspired by Ghanaian music,
Okay.
high life.
Yes,
High life by the years 30 somethings when the Belgian people come to colonize Congo.
Yeah.
They bring some. They discover some people have talent to play guitars,
Okay.
and they was bringing them in the studio to sing.
Okay.
But those people, like a window, the ancestral one of our music,
Yes.
Congolese music.
Yes.
My dad is the second generation
Okay.
with a Franco.
Yeah.
You know, all those people was produced by the white people in those time who colonized our country.
Yes.
And for me, I think that music still the same. Is the same. Just in the beginning of 17th,
Yes.
the band like Zaiko, you know,
Yes,
Zaiko,
Zaiko Langalanga.
Zaiko Langalanga will bring the seven. You know, we call that seven.
Okay.
Seven is like a like we do today.
Yeah.
But before it was like a rumba from the beginning to
was
the
very slow.
from the beginning to the end.
Yes.
But it's just this one they come to make difference.
Okay.
Difference Zaiko Langalanga.
Yeah.
Listen the song, they start like in the beginning it's like slow.
And then
And
somewhere
you
it
it
picks up.
change
Yeah, the beat.
yes, and the tempo too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the people, some people now, for example, me,
Yeah. You just
we
that.
take like the part to dance, you know,
Yeah.
and you create another music. Now we call that sukus now,
yeah.
because it start direct from the dance part.
Sukus means to shake?
Sukus was a dance
It's a
normally.
dance. Okay.
All those names come from the dance.
Dance.
If you know rumba,
Yeah.
rumba come from Argentina. Is a dance.
Okay.
Rumba,
Yes.
rumba,
Yeah, rumba, yes.
ndombolo.
Yeah.
It's a dance.
Okay.
But because people dance ndombolo in their music, ndombolo, tun ndombolo.
Yeah.
People call their music ndombolo.
That's Ndombolo. I see.
Yeah,
I get
yeah.
it. Okay, so then we had sukus.
Sukus.
Yes.
Me, for example, my
Yeah.
type of music is a sukus.
Okay.
I call techno sukus.
Techno sukus.
Ça, c'est la techno
Ça, c'est la
sukus.
techno
Awilo
sukus.
Longomba, le propriétaire de tous
les
les dossiers. Hey!
Même de tous les-
Comment tu t'appelles?
Ouais.
Qui, moi, boum!
So you fused
Sukus.
techno and sukus.
And sukus.
And created a whole new
Yes.
genre like.
Yes, that one. The people don't understand why people love my music
Yeah.
so much like this because of the combination.
That combination.
And it sounds special.
Yes.
It sounds special and different. I think all those music as people they're gonna call like they want like people. Some people was calling my music Makossa.
Yeah.
And Makossa
But
is
Makossa
Cameroon.
is a
Is a
bit
Cameroon.
different. Yeah, like Sam Fantomas.
Sam Fantomas,
Yeah,
yes.
he used to do a lot of Makossa.
Yes.
And you can hear when you listen
Moni
to some...
Bile,
Yeah.
all those people, yes. From Cameroon. Makossa is from Cameroon.
Yes. So when you listen to Makossa and sukus, and
It's different.
techno sukus, they're different. They're significantly different.
Oh.
As we are going, do you see the possibility of people creating yet another type of music out of...
But actually, we have Afrobeat, we have Amapiano,
Yes.
it's still to progress.
Yes.
But it's the same
bass.
beat,
Yeah.
same kick.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ting. They had just
Yeah.
you know, the change of the way they
With
play
the drums
the
and
drums.
and
Yes,
everything. Yes.
but it's the same.
Absolutely. But we still love the music, whether you call it Makossa, Sukus, Ndombolo, or Kwasa, or whatever it is. We love it and we love to groove to it. We're talking to Awilo Longomba. And just in case you wonder, Awilo is his name. On your passport, there's Awilo.
Awilo Longomba.
On your driving license, there's Awilo. It's not Willie.
All
it's
my
William.
kids, my children,
Yes.
they are Awilo Longomba.
Awilo Longomba.
Yeah.
And today he is here in Malawi. He's going to be performing sometime later this week. But now we're just getting to know more about him. He has been all over. He's been all over in Africa and beyond. Tell me why you moved from Congo to France. It looks like everyone who makes it somehow moves to France.
Yes.
Now you're in London.
Yes.
You know, why did you move?
Move because of to have a more possibility about my career, you know.
Yes.
Our industry in Africa, on those time, it was, you know, like the artists have no possibility to grow and to release some dream.
Yes.
When they get a contract in 1998. 1988. 1988. 1988. Yes. Because the first time I come in Europe, I came with Papa Wemba, like a drama. 95 to 96 for an Euro Asiatic tour. Like a drama. In this band, Viva la Musica. We've been on tour in Belgium, Switzerland, France, and we go to Japan. That one was my first time to
You performed in Japan?
Yes, by myself too I performed, but on those time I was with Viva la Musica. It's in internet. If you put Papa Wemba or Viva la Musica in Japan, you're gonna see Awilo on drum. I was a drama, good drama. And 1996 we'll be back in Congo after the tour, and I get some contacts, and they invite me for me to be a drummer to play for the song in the studio. The reason why I was leaving Congo, and when I arrive in France, I start my life. My kid born.
Did it work going to France? Did it help boost your career?
Yes, it boosted my career. The reason why I become Awilo.
Yes.
Because I start my career in France.
Yes.
You know, world is for everybody. It's gonna be to Malawi too. It's gonna be everywhere. It's like many people who immigrate to go somewhere.
Yes.
It's normal.
So you were saying that you have tried to, as much as possible, remain relevant. And you're saying it's not a secret, but still, it's amazing how you have managed to be relevant all this time.
No.
Where?
I think I've no secret, like I mentioned.
Yes.
And, you know, maybe because my music is special. It's not unique, but it's special. Yes. My music, when you listen my music direct, you see this is Awilo. Yes. You listen. I'm not special, let's say. But, and... by the way, look at the young generations continue to sample my music, my voice like an era star. You see Sabilio. No. Stability. Oh. Yes, they sample my voice, and you see all those the generation. They sing my name like Davido, Awilo Longomba. Hey, look at those on Mobad. Awilo Longomba. Eguchi da domana. Odandi da. You know. I have not a secret. I'm myself, and that was the reason. Maybe it's because my music is special. And the secret to stay long is the discipline too. Yes. I have my discipline. I know to respect people, to respect my you know, to respect my, you know, myself, and to be myself, to say, to être moi-même. C'est ça peut-être mon secret. Je ne force rien.
Il faut pas changer, en fait.
Non,
il faut pas changer. If you are yourself, people respect you for who you are. And in fact, the capability for you to sing with all these young people, because you've done collaborations with all these younger artists.
Yeah. Look at now, we've harmonized too, you see. Oh yeah, attitude. I did it when I've been in Tanzania, say Awilo. And me, I'm there to, that one I say, I'm there to help, you know, the new generation people that, look, we come to release some things with a Tay Green. Combien? Nafuta boni, na pesa combien? Nafuta boni, na pesa combien? Yeah! Mama, uyaki pamba te, kamata ma. Try. Come on. Ukuzunga pamba te, sukuma ma. Uyaki pamba te, kamata ma. The new song, combien?
Actually,
Awilo.
yes.
Is a Green and the Eddie Kadi.
Yes. This is Awilo Longomba, our guest today on Cruise 5, the great artist from all the way in Congo. But now he's coming from London, he's been all over the world, and now he is here in Malawi. Out of interest, how many musicians do you know from Malawi? Donc, bien sûr, Green is one of them. D'autres musiciens que tu connais du Malawi?
Ouais, je connais beaucoup, mais si je cite leur nom ici, on va dormir ici.
Yeah.
Il y en a beaucoup. Les autres vont dire, ah, tu n'as pas cité mon nom. Moi. But when I was in coaching Africa, The Voice,
Yes.
in my team,
Yes.
j'avais 2 Malawian,
Absolutely.
2 Malawian singers.
Yes.
They were singing very well.
Right. Yeah.
And we have many talent in this country.
Yeah.
Many people, we did just to boost them.
Absolutely.
There are many.
And we're going to wind up now. I just want you started sharing how you have managed to remain relevant in music. And there are a lot of young people who look up to you, of course, and they sing you in their songs, but they want to become a big global icon like you have. But maybe there's some things that you have learned along the way that you'd say, okay, if you want to be like me, or if you want to be bigger, please try to avoid this and do a little bit more of that. What advice would you have to those upcoming artists?
To be themselves first.
Yeah.
You know, don't copy someone.
Yeah.
If you copy someone, you're supposed to become like him.
Yes.
Be yourself. Me, I don't copy someone. Yeah. That's first. And discipline. Discipline to do good song.
Yeah.
To believe on you.
Yes.
That's all.
We're going to wind up. I've got a set of questions which I would like to ask you, to which you can only answer yes or no. Oui ou non, ça c'est tout.
Okay.
But first, I want you to tell me your full name. What is your full name?
Awilo Longomba.
Do you have any tattoos?
Yes.
Do you have any piercings?
No.
Do you have children?
Yes.
Have you ever shot a gun?
Never.
Have you cried over someone?
Yes.
Yes. Have you fallen in love before?
Yes.
Have you killed a chicken before?
No.
Have you gotten into a fight before?
When I was kid, yes.
Have you,
When I was kid,
have
because
you,
I grew in the ghetto,
yes.
in Congo.
You have to fight it out.
Yeah, in the school, when they want to bully you, you say, no, today, Ali. Come on.
There you go. Have you had any surgeries?
Yes.
Have you ever been hospitalized?
Yes.
Have you donated blood?
Yes.
Have you ever smoked weed?
Yes, on the time, but I stopped long time.
Do you smoke?
When I was young.
Do you smoke weed?
Yeah, no, it's no.
No, now you
finish.
don't. Have you ever drunk alcohol?
I was drinking alcohol, but I stopped a long time. Yes.
Do you drink
sometimes
alcohol?
Yes.
When
I was young, I stopped. In the industry, it's like this.
Yeah.
All of them, you see, they smoke,
Yes.
they drink, that. But one time when you grow old, you see some behavior. It's not the same. Yes. Some I do before, before when I'm in the beginning of my career, it was like when I go somewhere for the show, you see me in the night club, enjoying.
Yes.
But now when I come, I'm in a bed, I sleep.
Yeah.
Like a priest,
We can't be.
Yeah.
2 last questions. Have you broken someone's heart?
Maybe, but I don't. I no.
You're not sure.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure because maybe from far, maybe a fan love you. Say, you break my heart, but you don't know who is him. But by myself, I don't like break. No.
Have you had a crush on someone?
Yes.
Yeah. Of course, we're gonna end there.
Yes.
So now I want us to wrap up with Coupe Bibamba.
Yes, Coupe
which
Bibamba.
is a song that a lot of Malawians love.
I love
What is that song about?
There's a song talk about the poets in Africa.
Yeah.
You know about poverty. It's like for me, it was pushing people, the young people, to go to the school.
Okay.
Because many of us come from the poor family.
Okay.
And some people have no possibility to pay studies.
Yes.
You know, some parents.
Yeah.
That one I was singing, Africa.
Yes.
Ngase kaputula bibamba.
What does
You
that
see,
mean?
it's like a short with madusu, with
holes in it.
with holes. Yes.
Okay.
I say, look at me.
Yeah.
I'm like this, but I do my best. I go to the school. I have no clothes. You know, ngase kaputula bibamba nyoso pamba baninga like you see. I go to the school. It's like I push people to be honest. Don't be thief. Thief, hein?
Yeah.
Voleur.
Yeah,
Don't be
voleur.
thief, be honest,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
A day, God gonna bless you. Look at me with my music now. God bless me. Yes.
I see.
Yes, that's the
I
song
see.
mean. Yes.
Coupe Bibamba.
Yes.
Are you willing to teach me a few dance moves from Coupe
Yes,
Bibamba?
Africa. Tous les dossiers. Hey! Avec la participation de Africa, ngaseka putula bibamba kanyonso pamba baninga nanga pinch na yo otungamaka mingi koleka kutunga moto nazanga pinga naka ria koleka kutunga ria pinga naka ria now you know the jump now the step down no play like this, look at you. You dance like a robot. That's so good. Look at now you give me. I love you people. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle.
6 September 6. Don't forget Stadium.
Dis-moi.
Hey!
Je m'appelle Coupe Bibamba.